Hey guys, yo, Brad from Bradley's Builds, Australia. He's given me this one for you guys, including its own Kodi fork, and it uses the simple touch reloaded skin. And this skin is used, or is great for use on touchscreen devices, as well as your Fire Sticks, shields, etc. I've tested it out on a Fire TV Cube. So there are quite a few of these builds that use this skin, but this one seems to be like the biggest one. It's got like, let me just count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 pages. All right, so 18 different pages. There is a video in the description that shows you how I installed it on my Rumble channel. He does say that this skin, or this build, is available in other wizards. And let me just pull up.
Why can't we just have middle of the ground
Just pull up.
weather here in the UK? Why is it always either got to be pissing down with rain or so hot at any minute now? Frodo's about to walk in my front door and throw a ring at me. Why can't we just...
Right, this is fine. Sorry, guys. Find where he sent me a message. There it is. Okay, so his builds are now in the Realist Wizard, Enigma Wizard, Twisted Wizard, and the Hermit's Wizard. Now, this one that you've got the downloader code for is from the Realist Wizard, and I think he's got about 3 builds in there, I believe. Also, I heard today that there's another Brad's TV build from the Mafia 666 wizard. Is in that wizard, and it's nothing to do with this one. So you got, I don't know, you can compare them if you wish, but this is one for you to try out. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.